Hi there, it's Nolene Slaney here, video confidence and personal power mentor. So, do you see video visibility as something like, oh my God, this is a chore, this is just something I have to do and I hate doing it? Or maybe you feel like creating the video content itself is a real chore. If so, this video is for you because I'm going to help you to make this fun, right? So, I have 3 tips for you today that's really going to help you to do that, right? And yes, you are going to love showing up on video. It is going to feel fun and it is also going to be fun to create the content and it'll make it easier for you to know what to talk about as well. Okay. So, tip number 1, very simple, decide, choose. Right? You choose that this is going to be fun. You decide that this is going to be fun. You say to yourself, do you know what? I'm on video today and I am going to absolutely love this. Oh my God, this is going to be so much fun for me today, showing up and talking about this. Right? And again, instantly, even as I'm saying this myself, I can feel myself loosening up and it feels really, really good. Right? So that's the first thing. You can choose for it to be hard or you can choose for it to be easy. You can choose for it to be a chore or you can choose for it to be fun, right? Definitely that's the best one to choose. Okay. So, tip number 2, tap back into your why. Why are you running your business? What's your big mission? Why do you do what you do? Right? When you tap back into that, oh my God, the shift is immense. Like it happens like instantly like that, right? Because it all of a sudden gets you out of your head, right? Because let's be honest, when you're feeling like all of this is a chore, a lot of the time it's just because you're too in your head and you're letting all the mindset monkeys speak so loudly to you. You're just letting all the fears and the doubts take over. And instead, when you start to tap into your why and you really tap into the passion and the conviction for your message and what you do, right? Everything changes because it's no longer about you anymore. It's about why you're doing this, the people you want to help, the mission you have, the legacy you want to create. And again, that feels fun, right? So even as you're thinking, as I'm speaking now, I'm thinking that you're probably okay. Oh yeah, no, this is my why. And if you were sit down and talk to somebody about it, it would feel fun, right? So again, tap back into that as well right before you go on video and you're thinking, oh my God, I'm scared. If you tap into that, and if you're scared about, okay, I'm going to do this video, but I'm scared about making a mistake when I say this thing, it doesn't matter. Go back to that why, as I said, and it really will make this fun. Okay. Now, the third tip I have for you is choose fun topics to talk about, right? I think that so often, and this is a mistake that I made myself a lot very early in my business as well, was that I thought I had to be, I'm going to use the air quotes, professional, right? Well, first and foremost, who decides what professional is, right? And the thing is that we don't always have to talk about serious stuff. So yes, of course, sometimes what we're doing is serious. And I know, sometimes I have serious things to talk about. But again, you can show up and talk about fun topics as well, right? And those fun topics can be things related to you and your journey and your stories in life, right? And it can be your stories, and I say it doesn't even have to always be about your business. It can be things that happen to you. And again, this is something that I do a lot now as well. Like it was something that took me a while to do, but I show up and I share stories of things that happened to me in my life. And actually, I often find a connection to what I do. So how this relates to business, how it relates to selling, how it relates to selling on video, how it relates to video confidence, right? And again, when you see somebody smiling, you smile too, right? So your audience would smile with you. So as I say, and again, we need things to be lighthearted, right? Like, yes, we are here to help people. I'm here to help you. I'm here to give you, tips and give you value, but I'm also here to entertain you, right? And I want to entertain myself as I'm doing it too, right? Because what is the point otherwise if it's going to always be like this heavy, chore, hard thing to do all of the time, right? So just a quick recap of the tips for you today. Number 1, choose that this is going to be fun, right? Number 2, tap into your why. This is everything. It will change everything for you and it really will feel fun when you tap into your why and your mission. And then number 3, choose fun topics to talk about. Don't always make it about business or heavy stuff, right? Or serious stuff. Put the lighthearted into it as well. Okay, so that's it for today. I'd love to hear from you now. Let me know in the comments which one of these are you going to incorporate first, or maybe you're going to do them all. Let me know that as well. And also, if you found this helpful, please do share it with your own audience. or with anyone you think that would really benefit from this, because I am on a big, huge mission myself. It's what I call my mission million. And I want to work with 1 million entrepreneurs who are change makers and visionaries and leaders. And I want to help them to also, in turn, work with 1 million of their soul aligned clients. And what I do is I help them by using the power of video to get their message out there, to get them seen and heard, and to really to create their legacy. So as I said, if you would love to help me with my mission, and you would also love to help as many business owners as well as possible and really create this beautiful ripple effect, I would really love it if you would share this video with them. So thanks for watching today, and I can't wait to hear from you.